Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, today we are going to begin a new lesson, that is Nisha Walks Again. So what is our first lesson? That is Nisha Walks Again. Nisha Walks Again. In this lesson, one girl is there. Her name was Nisha, and because of some problem or she got an accident and she just became handicapped, and after that how she overcome from that problem they explain in this lesson. So before going to start this lesson, we have to see warm up activity. So what is warm up activity? Yes, you have to look these pictures. So look at these pictures as a class, discuss what you see in them. Talking about the people in the picture. What are they doing? Do they seem to be enjoying themselves? Do you think it is easy for them to do what they are doing, and why? So you have to observe these three pictures and you have to answer. What answer you have to give? See what they are doing. So in the first picture, one man, yes, one boy, see both are there, and one boy he is sitting on the wheelchair and is playing with his friend, yes. And in the second picture, one man is there, he is also physical handicap with his one leg and is playing golf and like hockey, see. And in the third picture, one girl is there, she is also sitting on the wheelchair and she is playing badminton. So do you thinking that they are enjoying while doing these things? Yes. And is this easy for them? Yes. What you are thinking? And why? Because see, it is not easy work. See, because they are physically handicapped, they can't play as normal person, yes or no? So in this story also, Nisha girl, she was also handicapped. How she got handicapped, we have to see. So let's see. Have you ever thought something was impossible until you tried it? So, you have thought, or have you thought for something when you are doing anything? Yes, new thing. So, without trying, it is impossible to get success. So, when you tried, it is possible to complete it. Okay, whatever your goal is there. Once there was a little girl named Nisha. She was 10 years old. She loved playing with her friends and making others laugh. So, once there was a little girl. What was the name of that girl? Nisha. And she was 10 years old. And she loved playing with her friends and making others laugh. So one day what happened? One day Nisha was walking to her school up a hill. She was busy talking with her friends when she slipped and lost her balance. What happened? See, one day Nisha was walking to her the school and it was up to the hill, and she was very busy with while talking with her friends. And suddenly what happened? Suddenly she slipped and lost her balance, and she started rolling down the hill. Her friends were very frightened and started shouting for help. And what happened? Suddenly she lost her balance and she started to rolling down to the hill. And her friends also very frightened, afraid. Frightened means afraid, pretended, and started to shouting for help because she was slipped and she was rolling down the hill. So her friends also afraid and they scared and they started to shouting for the help. One man who was passing by the heard their shouts and came running. Nisha was in a lot of pain and could not get up or walk. And what happened? Suddenly, a man who was passing by that hill, he heard that shouting and he came by running there. Suddenly, see, usually you are watching the road accident, and when you are watching somebody is shouting for help, usually you are running there, yes or no? Like that, one man was passing from that hill and he just suddenly heard the shouting and he came by running to the near Nisha. And when he saw Nisha was in a lot of pain and she could not get up or walk, and Nisha could not get up because she got hurt. So what he did? The man lifted Nisha and carried her on his back. He took Nisha to the government hospital in the village. And that man, what he did? He had seen that Nisha unable to get up. So what he did? He just lifted Nisha and he carried her on his back. Okay, and he took that Nisha to the government hospital in the village. See here, after that what happened? Then what happened? See, Nisha's parents rushed to the hospital when they heard about the accident. The doctor told them that Nisha had broken both her legs. The doctor had cleaned her wounds and put her legs in plaster. So what happened? Nisha's parents, when they got that news about her accident, they rushed into the hospital. And what happened? And then the doctor, he told them that Nisha had broken both her legs. Okay, she broken her both legs, and the doctor had, what he did? He just cleaned her wound and he put her legs in the plaster. Plaster, you know. Plaster means what? Plaster means something put around a broken arm or leg to help it become better. Okay. So doctor just put her legs in the plaster. Next para. Nisha's parents took her back home in a wheelchair. The doctor hoped that Nisha would be able to walk again in 2 months' time. But Nisha did not believe him. Next, what happened? Yes, after putting the plaster, Nisha's parents took Nisha to back to the home in a wheelchair. Wheelchair means what? Yes, see here you can see in this picture wheelchair, and you can see Nisha's both legs are into the plaster, and these parents, they are taking her back into the home. Wheelchair is a chair. Usually this chair is using for the handicapped people. Okay, handicapped means who are unable to walk. Yes. Then the doctor hoped that Nisha would be able to walk again in 2 months. So doctor told Nisha will be recover after 2 months or within 2 months. But Nisha did not believe him. Nisha did not believe him because she was thinking, now I just got hurt and I can't walk or I unable to walk. So she thought that she was believing that yes, I can't walk now. Next, what happened? Nisha was very sad. She could not go to school and could not play with her friends. She missed all the fun she had with them. She even missed her classes and her studies. But most of all, she missed walking and running around. She was scared she would never walk again. So, Nisha was very sad. Why? Because she could not go to school and even she could not play with her friends. And main thing is she was missing all the funs whatever she was doing with her friends, and even she just missed her classes, her school and her studies also. But most important thing, she was just missed walking and running around. Yes, because she was very happy girl before that, but when she hurt, so she unable to walk, so she was missing all those things, all those fun. And after that she was scared she would never walk again, and she was thinking that she would never walk again. Next, what happened? 2 months passed and the plasters were removed, but Nisha refused to get up. Her parents became worried that she would never try to walk again. And like see, doctor told that Nisha would be walk within 2 months. But 2 months passed away and plaster also removed. But what happened? Nisha refused to get up. Refuse means just she was rejected. Okay, refuse means rejected. So she rejected to get up. And even her parents became worried. They are also in worried because Nisha was not ready to walk, so she get afraid. The parents also started to worry that she would never try to walk again. Yes, so till here we learned today. So next, what you are thinking, dear students, whether she will start walking or whether their parents will be get happy, whether she will start walking and she will play with her friends. Yes, for that we have to watch the second part of this video. Yes, still what you have to do, you have to watch this video thoroughly and you have to write down these difficult words and its meaning in your notebook. Till, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.